gun protection kit allows a U.S. Marine to fire a crew served weapon or a tow saber system from a mounted vehicle position.
We got a push!
Marine Corps Systems Command's role in the proof of principle is to ensure that with the new Joint Light Tactical Vehicle coming out to the Marine Corps and sometime between FY19 and FY20, is that the turret, or also known as the gun protection kit we provide on that vehicle, is fit for combat. With the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle coming out, we're providing a new gun protection kit for the tow and also for your M250 cal and Mark 19.